Hi everybody, Dr. Ben Carlow here, chiropractor and personal trainer, coming to you from my basement during this time of quarantine. I had a great response to my first video, thank you very much, and so I've had requests for other videos, specifically about the hips, and more specifically about the hip flexors. Hip flexors are very common problems in athletes and non-athletes and people with low back pain. They're a very all-encompassing type of injury. So this is my two favorite ways to stretch the hip flexors, okay? The first one is going to be on the ground, and the second one is going to be on the back, okay? So let's check it out. First one, okay? You're going to find a pad or a cushion or a towel or a carpeted area, and we're going to come down on one knee, kind of like you're proposing, okay? And you're going to be in a 90-degree angle with your front knee and a 90-degree angle in your back knee. Keep your butt and pelvis tucked underneath the rest of your spine, okay? We don't want the butt to be out like this or anything funky like that. We really want it to be all nice and tight. Once you're there, all you do is keep your hips forward, and you're going to lunge forward a little bit, okay? We don't need to come all the way forward like this, and we don't need to lean back like that, okay? All we need is to keep everything here tight and lunge forward. This should give you enough, just this like tiny bit of movement here is giving me enough of a stretch to feel the hip flexors. From another angle, if you want to check it from another angle, everything tight, hips facing directly forward, and you're going to lunge forward. Feel the stretch here, possibly up into the abdomen. Stay tall, okay? No need to hunch over or lean back. Try to be as tall as you can. If you want a little bit more of a stretch, you can tilt away from the side you're stretching or rotate away from the side you're stretching. But remember to try to keep everything in one kind of unit and not get too off to the sides or far back or forward. So this is the one stretch on your knee. If you can't do this because your knees have problems or are painful, let's see what it's like doing it on your back. So follow me. Well, again. All right, so this is the other way to stretch your hip flexors on your back, okay? You're gonna lay down on your bed is fine, okay? You're gonna bring one knee to your chest. You may be in a position where, this bottom leg can't go all the way down. What you wanna do is just try to push it down a little bit. If you're already in a position like me, you can scoot over to the edge, let this hang, and pull. Remember, keeping your core tight, and with this stretch, you'll be feeling it in the same area as the one on the floor, okay? This is a little bit of an easier stretch. It's not quite as tough on your knee, but still a good one for your back and for your hip flexor. So these are two relatively simple, easy stretches that you can do in the comfort of your house during this quarantine. If you have more of a serious issue or something that's actually bothersome to you, in my office, there's other ways to treat this with doing things like massage or assisted stretching or ART. These are ways to lengthen and elongate the hip flexor muscle that you kind of need two people for, or a trained professional to help you with. But in the meantime, give these a shot. Let me know how they do for you. If you have any questions, comment below, click the like button, call me, text me, and thank you very much for watching.